Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hello, and how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're keeping safe. And today I am back again with another interesting video. Kama kawaida, you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if it's your first time here, welcome aboard. My name is Agatha, and I would love to have you join the growing family. So please consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. So today I wanted to share with you guys what I eat in a day. If you're new here, you probably don't know that I am on a weight loss journey, and we started this around 2 or 3 weeks ago. So we already did our 10-day detox, and I think the whole group is right now doing 21-day challenge of no wheat and no sugar. So for me, I personally cannot take like black tea with no sugar at all. So I have toned it down. So I'm basically taking a teaspoon of sugar with 1 cup of tea a day. So that's the best that I could be able to do. And so we are basically trying to cut off wheat completely, and not doing any carbs after 3 p.m. So it's a no wheat and no carbs after 3 p.m. challenge for me, and that's what I'm trying to maintain. I hope I'm going to be able to make it a lifestyle, but so far so good. So the progress about my weight loss, I'm going to be sharing it very soon, probably in a week's time. That's why when I'm going to be done documenting it. Yeah, so you need to keep tuned and stay tuned so that you can watch that as well.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm going to be making my dinner early. Most of the time I start making dinner at around 5:45 or 6 p.m. so that you can have our dinner at 6:30 or 7. That is me and Diana, but her dad doesn't like eating early. So for us, we take our dinner early so that especially on school days, she has to be in bed by 8:30. So that is basically our routine, and I have tried to maintain that throughout the holidays. So we try to eat early, which is very good, so that by the time you're going to bed, all the food that you've taken has already been digested. So I'm going to be sharing with you what I normally take for dinner. So today I'm making greens and beef stew. There are other days where probably if I make cereals, I take the cereals only. I don't take wheat at all, no wheat at all, and I don't take any carbs after 3 p.m. So most of the time there are days where I basically take a bowl of fruits at night or a smoothie, and then I take my dinner the following day in the morning. Like for example, if it's ugali or rice and green grams, I take it the following morning, and that is basically my breakfast. So that's what I'm basically doing. So today I wanted to share this with you. If you're interested to see more of this, please let me know down in the comment section, and I will be glad to do it for you guys.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. So every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
I'm lost in a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life. Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray to see you one more